Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Elizabeth and today I'm going to show you how to go from this to this. And then I'm going to take my Miracle Cream by the Better Skin Company and moisturize everything. You need a soft canvas. And since we are not prepped enough, I'm going to take my e.l.f. Glow Primer Stick. Just kinda. Then I'm going to take my e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation in shade Light Ivory and cover my face. And now that foundation is done, I'm going to take my concealer by Revlon. It's super dirty, no idea what shade it is. I'm going to do under eyes, and also I'm going to get any little things I see. And then I take my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour stick and just kind of do that. Then I have this little fishtaily brush that I love to use. I got it at TJ Maxx because you can kind of just hook your hand around it and voila, contour is done. So after contour, I get started on my eyes. I'm going to start with my e.l.f. some kind of eyeliner. I'm going to do the water lines. After all the hard stuff is done, you're going to want to start prepping for your night out. So now I'm going to move on to my eyeshadow, which is super simple. Don't get freaked out. I use a brown eyeshadow by MAC in shade Cork. Tip, the secret with brown eyeshadows is to not blend it out too much. So now that I've finished my eyeshadow, I'm going to move on to my eyebrows. More e.l.f. Alright, now I'm going to move on to my favorite part, highlight. Also e.l.f. Moonlight Pearls. Look at that highlight. Like a little on the brow bone and up here. Other side. Oh yes. Oh yes. No such thing as too much highlight. So I also do tip of my nose. Just right there. Top of my lip in the Cupid's bow area. And then chin. And then also when I'm wearing lower cut shirt, I will do my collarbones. And then sometimes up here. Oh, yes. Whew. All right. That all my face stuff is essentially done, I'm going to take my setting spray. I use the Dewy Finish from NYX. Just kind of oof. No such thing as too much. Except for now it's in my eyes. Just gonna go and kind of pat that in. So for mascara, I use Rocket Volume Express by Maybelline. Mine is covered in acrylic paint. And then I'm going to finish it off with this nude lip pencil. Little Dusty Rose nudie color. There you go. There's the finished look. How I go out when I'm not trying to do too much. I hope you enjoyed. I will link the Better Skin Company with a 10 or 15% discount code down below. And don't forget to subscribe and like. Keep partying.